Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today I will going to show you how to get data from a web to Excel. Let's start. First of all, open the Excel file and open a browser. Go to a desired link or desired website. Here I have an data of population, district wise population of Bangladesh. I want this table and or on this data into Excel sheet so that I can analyze that data. Let's see how to do that. Go to Excel file, go to data ribbon, and the left corner you can see from web. If you not see that from web, you can go to get data from other sources, and here you can see from web. Now I am clicking on from web. Here you have to paste that URL. I'm going to copy that URL and paste it over here. Click OK. Now the Power Query Navigator will open. This is the Power Query Navigator. It's opening now. Here we can see division and districts. Select the data. Now we can see the whole table in the Power Query navigation. Here in the bottom we can see there is three options: load, transform data, and cancel. If we click on load, the whole table will be loaded into Excel sheet. Or if you want to do some changes, you have to click on transform data, or you can cancel it. I need some changes, that's why I am clicking on transform data. Now the Power Query editor will open. Wait for a while. Power Query editor is opening. Now we can see the Power Query editor. Here we can customize and change the data. First of all, I don't want this column, so I am selecting it and removing that column. Also, I don't want this column too, so I am removing it also. I don't want this column as well. I am removing it also. I don't want this also. And this is the data of year 1991. I don't want that, so I am removing that. This is the data of 2001, so I don't want it as well, so I'm removing that. This is the population of year 2021. This is the latest data of the country. I want this column, so I will keep that column. These two column is unnecessary, so I will remove that column. Okay, now my table is ready. Now at the top of the leftmost corner you can see load, close and load. Click on the drop down and click close and load again and wait for a while. It will take some time to load the data. Okay, our data is ready, our table is also ready. Now we can see the district wise population of Bangladesh. The whole table is now perfectly loaded in the Excel file. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Keep supporting.